Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create product photos with Nano Banana. So come here, click on new chat on Google Gemini, click on tools, click on create images. Now you see this icon, this means you're using Nano Banana if you have at least 2.5 flash as your model. And now let's come here, we have some prompts. Of course I'll leave these in the description as well. You can use, now this one is text to image. Let's say you don't have your product already, right? You can use text to image. I'll also show you how to use an existing product. So here, this is a high-end minimalist smartwatch with a matte black finish. I'm describing it. It's a natural language model. Make sure you describe it. Describe the setting as well, where it is being placed. Okay. Studio lighting, subtle shadow, photorealistic, high resolution. So we'll come here, just paste in the prompt, and then click on submit. Okay. Now it is working its magic. So we'll come back here. This is another prompt. For example, if we have a glass water bottle. Okay. I'll show you how to place that, right? Our own image, our own product somewhere. It will be on a rustic wooden picnic table, sunny forest clearing, right? I'll show you this. Let's go ahead and look at our watch, our minimalist smart watch, okay? As you can see, it has actually done what we asked. So this one's perfect. Now we'll do the other product. I'll just drag and drop our glass water bottle, and I'll include our prompt. So we're placing this glass water bottle standing upright on this picnic table, wooden picnic table, sunny forest clearing, and we've described the lighting as well. Okay, make it look photorealistic, perfectly blended with the shadows. So we'll submit this. Let's see what Gemini comes up with. And here you go. You can see it's the same water bottle. Okay, and it has done it exactly as per our prompt. That is how you can do your own products as well. And that is how to create product photos with Nano Banana.